What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2010 Kawasaki Voyager. It's a 1700. Just got this bike in. We're gonna take a quick walk around this thing because you see exactly what's going on with this bike. So if you want to pick up one of these, or if you want to pick up this one, you know what's going on with it. So you got the rear tire there, plenty of tread left on it. Call it like 50%. This one in particular does have like the hitch receiver. Honestly, most times when we get bikes with these, we take them off, but this one looks like it's a little bit of an ordeal to get it off, so we're gonna leave it on there. So that is there. Got the license plate mount, got your turn signals there, your tail light, and you got your tail light up here in the tour pack too. Got your dual exhaust coming out either side there. It's a pretty nice color. I like this gray color. Is that? It's got a little bit of dirt there. Did a pretty good job of cleaning off. It was a little dirty when I got it, so pressure wash it down. Got all that up here on top of the tour pack. On these like joints here on the tour pack, you got little bits of rust going on there. Just know that it's nothing aggressive, and it wouldn't stop me from buying the bike, but I want to point that out so you can see that. Open up the tour pack. There you go, pretty standard stuff. I'm sure you've all seen it before. Got the Voyager owner's manual and the motor service manual for the Vulcan 1700 Voyager. So there's that. Flip that back down. There you go. That does lock right there. Here on the side of the tour pack, you got a little bit of junk there. Some of that just wiped off with my finger, but there's a little bit there. Got that. The paint's pretty nice. I like this color. It's like I'm gonna call it like a gunmetal gray with like the black accent, and I think there's actually a little bit of blue flake in the black. It's got a good look to it. There's that. You can see the exhaust there. There's your side panel. That's in nice shape. Got your passenger floorboard, got your rider floorboard, got your rear brake there. There you see it, the Vulcan V-Twin 1700 on the air cleaner. Get in here close on the motor, you can see all that. We got Kawasaki down there. It does have the backrest for the rider. Got a nice big comfy seat here. The backrest for the driver, that flips forward so the passenger can hop on. Nice big backrest for the passenger as well. Spin this thing around a little bit. You can see it's got the lower fairings, and it does have the just the air dams that close like that. Open them back up. This one's got the highway pegs, always a nice addition. I'm a tall guy, I'm 6'3". I like being able to stretch out when I'm doing a long ride. There you got your front fairing with the headlight there, the two auxiliary lights, and then you have your two turn signals underneath. Again, I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see that blue flake right in here when the reflection is. It's a really cool look. I'm sure it would look really cool out in the sun. Also, you got your front fender. Front fender's good to go. Just making sure I don't miss anything here. It did have, like I said, it did have quite a bit of dirt on it when I got it, and I cleaned it up. There's your fork tubes going down to your front brake. Got front brakes on that side. Your fork tubes here. Coming down to front brakes on this side. You can see that front wheel. Got your front tire. I'm gonna say the front tire is a little bit on the low side. It's not like rotted out, but it definitely is lower than the back. I'm gonna call that maybe like 20 or 30%. So that's something to note if you're interested in this bike. Keep spinning. Again, same thing with the upper fairings. Got your lower fairings there with the ear dams that open and close, which is a nice feature. Got the highway pegs. On this side, oh, it's just a little bit of dirt. Thought I found something that I needed to point out. Just a little spot that I missed there. Tank's looking to be in good shape. Again, we'll get in here on the motor. Try to let you see as much of that as I can. There's that. It's got the Vulcan V-Twin 1700. It is a 6-speed, which is nice. Having the extra gear on the highway helps a lot. Got your rider floorboard with a toe shifter, heel shifter, and the passenger floorboard. Got your kickstand down there. You see your exhaust here. And you can't see it, but the belt is like going back through here, back to the rear sprocket. Got your side bag. Got a little scratch there on the bag right there that I want to point out. Open that up. That's what it looks like inside. I did not open the other one. The other one looks exactly the same. Again, you got a little bit of dirt here on the side of the seat. Stuff that I was trying to get off but did not. There's the side of the bag here. We're gonna jump up to the seat. See that again? Got the nice big comfy backrest. Nice big comfy seat for the passenger. Backrest for the driver. And the made rider seat. Coming over the tank is looking decent. Got your fuel cap. Turn this thing on. Of course, you got your controls. Got your mirror up here. Controls, mirror. Got all your gauges in here, looking pretty cool. There you go, 14,137 miles. I'm gonna jump back to that. There'll be a few more than that after Sean does the test drive. Make sure you check out YouTube for the test drive of this bike if you're interested in this one. That'll be a good way to see it out on the road. Fire this thing up so you can hear it run. There is that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. So I'm gonna make sure I turn them on, I can hear them. Oh, don't know what that was about. So there is that side. And there's that side. Jump back here in the back. Got that side there. Flip it back over to the other side. There's that one there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2010 Kawasaki Voyager 1700. If you're interested in this bike, check it out on the website. Make sure you watch the test drive video, and thanks so much for watching.